Selva's here as a digital search of the project. Problem which we face today makes us to work on this project titled QR and patients data in healthcare industries enhancing Ayushman Bharat. The doctors are facing challenge in accessing the internet and patients data during the emergency period. To accomplish this task, we created an application and website as the problem to the solution, introducing QR scanning medical care app and website with several user-friendly features for both the patient and the management. The QR code is being attached to every citizen's health card in India, making digital documents, that is mobility health documents and records of the patients.
We are presenting project on the team Tech, Biotech, MedTech on a title QR and patient's data, creating a useful application and website on revealing the patient's medical history, patient's personal information, India's healthcare schemes, and enabling to update our health insurance, which simply we can say it as all-in-one made in India. Application website for Ayushman Bharat. We, the team sits, are working on development of this project. I am Venkatesh P as project analyzer and educator.
This is Anusha here as team PPT and digital search. This application is developed on Java on the basis of Android Studio, and the website is developed on Visual Studio Code to help the patient during their emergency. This project is developed under Goal 3, Good Health and Well-being. This application and website plays a vital role in saving life, accessing medical history of the patient. When the patient is visiting any foreign hospitals, that is new hospitals, to deliberate and review the patient's data. The futures and merits of the project as enhanced with our scope.
This is Sabarish here as team lead on developing an application and website medical care on Ayush Bharat, having a simple set for user-friendly purpose consisting a home page, QR scanner, uploads and downloads, and emergency. Feature of the application is elaborated here as home page consists of the personal user's personal information and enable them to add another account. The scanner gets the scan the QR code, which consists of all the medical reports, that is medical history of the patient, enabling to access them using a 6-digit passkey, which can be set by the user at the beginning of the application and website. The methodology deals with data analysis and regulatory testing. The upload and download option. The download option can be accessed by both the user and the management, but the upload option can be only accessed by the concerned management by entering their management name and their respective identity number. This enables them to upload the scanner report, lab test report, treatment report, accident report. If the user is undergone with any unnatural death, they can upload postmortem report. The autopsy's affair can also be attached here. This application and website is more convenient and more secure, and the users as well as the management can enjoy the usage in this application and website of the medical care. This medical care project deals with Ayushman Bharat being accounting the health data of our nation. This is very feasible and very easy to handle and work with it. The extra feature added here to this project is emergency. This emergency option enables one to access the ambulance nearby them, hospital nearby them, child helpline number, and blood donors.
Go app. Enter the patient ID. Enter patient password. Give enter process. Scan QR code or click here for next page. It's about the personal info of a patient. Enter your name. Enter password. Enter the confirmation password. Enter the order number. Enter your address. Enter the age. Enter the phone number. Enter here for next process. Click here to get ambulance service. It will redirect you to Google and show nearby hospital. Nearby blood bank. It will redirect you to Google and show the blood banks nearby you. Click here to get report. If the patient already uploaded the report, it will show here. Otherwise, he or she can also upload the report. Enter the patient description. Enter image. Here we can enter our image. Enter patient password. For security purpose, enter for next process. It will show the report here.
Now I am going to open my index.html program. Before opening the index.html program, what is the main reason for opening this program? So I am going to explain about my website. My website is completely for the patient's concern and easy to access them in their critical stage. Now I'm going to explain the complete function of my website. So let's get in. This is my complete website, which is have home, emergency, already registered, and downloads and upload buttons. Now I'm going to click the home button. When I'm going to click the home button, it will show me the Ministry of Ayush and Medical Care page, which is consists of uh, Ministry of Ayush portion, and then their upcoming schemes, and then about our Prime Minister Modi. This is mainly for the people's concern and development of Ministry of Ayush, then a postment of upcoming schemes in their portal. It will shows the upcoming schemes. We will upload every schemes which is related to the medical field of Ministry of Ayush. And then I'm going to click emergency button. When I'm clicking the emergency button, it shows nearby hospitals, nearby ambulance, helpline, bell turners, then child helpline 109. When I'm clicking the nearby hospitals, it will redirect to the Google map, which shows the nearest hospitals in your location. This is my current location. I am located in Ambattur region, so it shows me the hospitals nearby Ambattur. So I can click any hospitals which is located nearby me, and then I'm going to show the nearby ambulance button. This nearby ambulance button, when I'm clicking it, means it will also redirect as if nearby hospitals. It will redirect to the Google map and show me that the nearest ambulances which is located nearby me. So these are the ambulance services which is located nearby location of me. And then
After that, when we clicking the find blood donors button, it will go to the available blood donors. Before that, I wanted to say one thing, that whenever I'm clicking the blood donors button, it will shows the users and their blood. Then there will be a question that how you will store it. For that, I'm going to explain. There is one thing in our application. There is an option that in our application and in our website there is an option which is, whenever in the registration phase there will be a blood group option. So the user, when he wants to click in the username and the blood, wants to register something, then he wants to uh, upload his blood and upload his blood group as well as his name. So whenever he is entering, it will be stored in the database, so that the database will be stored in our available blood donor site. So whenever user wants to donate the blood, or else he wants blood, he can watch it and he can type it here. If interested in donating blood or need the blood, submit your details. In case of need of blood, please type your blood group username, a blood group which is displayed on top. So this information should be typed by here, so that it will redirect to the, sorry, now I'm going to type a Linda's, because I need a Linda's blood group. So I'm going to uh, register here. So I'm going to enter my so whenever I'm clicking here, it will redirect to the Gmail. So whenever by clicking, it will redirect to the Gmail, so that if they want anything, then it will go to the staff of medicocare.com, and if we will verify them, and then we will send it to the user. This is the function. And then last, finally, child helpline 1098 already registered is nothing but if a staff which is working or logged or verified at the Ayush portal, then they can access their ID and password in the pages, so that whenever they enter the details and registering, it will redirect to the scanner pages, so that they can easily scan the scanner and they can post to the other process. Now I'm going to show get started button. The get started button is nothing but sign upping. When a new user is coming and sign upping, then he should enter his detail. Before that, I'm going to connect to the server. I had used the server called exam MySQL database. I have connected in it. So uh, whenever I'm entering the details, I will get, now I'm going to Sunil at gmail.com. I'm going to create a new email. I'm typing my email ID and I'm confirming my password or entering my password, the Google will be asking that can I save your password or not. See, can I save your password or not, because I am connected to the server, so that I can paste it. So whenever I'm pasting it, I am going to the scanner page. So this is my scanner. If a person is scanning, then he will get the patient's data within a fraction of second. So that's it. It is the function of a medico care website. Thank you.